Hello and welcome to Final Cut Pro X, from beginner to intermediate in 2 hours. My name is Ashwin Alok and I'm from India. I'm a professional filmmaker and video editor at Creative Crew, a film production company. Let's begin. Final Cut Pro X is a revolutionary app for creating, editing and producing the highest quality video. You can do almost every basic to advanced level editing in FCPX. It is exclusively available for use on macOS. You can purchase it from the App Store. I have used a lot many video editors, but this one has the most user-friendly interface to work on. If you are very new to this, don't worry. If you genuinely want to learn something new and have the desire to do so, you will become a proficient video editor by the end of this course. I guarantee it. Trust me, I had pursued the same path to reach to this level. Remember, your efficiency can only be increased by practicing a lot, so try editing a variety of videos shot using different cameras or in different light conditions and you are good to go. There are many versions available to work on, latest one being 10.7 that comes with some amazing new additions of features. For this tutorial course, I am using Final Cut Pro version 10.6.8 and so users with different versions might experience variations. Let's take a quick view of the topics that we'll be covering in this course. Introduction to libraries, events and projects. Importing media files and revealing them in the Finder, creating projects with different settings, working with media in the project timeline, slow motion, introduction to inspector, transformation tools, video sequencing, transitions, texts, music, Foley, color correction and color grading, audio and video effects, video stabilization and noise reduction, motion tracking of texts, rendering and exporting. Conclusion: unleash your creative potential. I'm really excited to take this course forward and use all those great gifts that come with FCP to create an effective story. Join me on this cinematic journey within Final Cut Pro X, where every frame tells a story. Looking forward to seeing you in the next lecture.